Long time no see. I was a little intimidated when he first walked in because he's important to me to be here. When this place is full and the mayor's here, if you're not ready, I don't care how good you are. Come on. It's not gonna work.
With the customers and VIPs taking their seats, the servers are busy making their rounds with the new menu.
Yeah, and the Kobe, medium well.
And it's obvious the pressure of the relaunch is already getting to toll.
New York strip, no, I'm sorry, the New York strip, the ribeye, and our Kobe beef special.
It was crazy. I mean, this whole situation is crazy, the whole night. Obviously, because the hearing was going to be crazy.
Get some napkins.
Done. I'm fucking done. I'm not comfortable with the changes so quick when I don't know if we're ready for it. There's too much for me right now. I just don't.
I need you.
I'll be fine. I'm good.
We fucking need you.
While Tom tries to pull himself together,
When you dry your eyes and come back as a fucking manager, Tom. Okay?
the first wave of orders hits the kitchen.
Okay, Michael, watch your temperature, yeah? I don't want the steaks coming back. Okay?
Yes, chef.
Good.
Whatever it comes in.
There was plenty of pressure. A couple of times I lost my composure.
Let's go.
Let's go. Genie, the customer's not handled.
And when Tom does return, he begins to feel the heat once again.
That smell. I just have one here, isn't it? I'm concerned about Tom. He's sweating like a pig.
I'll drive you guys too much, don't you worry.
I've got a problem with you now. Right, you're running around like a fucking village spot. Yeah? You're sweating like a pig. Get in the bathroom and do something about it.
When Tom came back to see me, he was just totally disordered. Like,